Welcome everyone, I'm Emily Francis and I'm here with Malta Tourism Authority today at Popeye Village. To look at the farms of Popeye Village, we're going to meet the Cini family, Cini. Let's go look at globe artichokes, Qaqoċċ. Let's go find Marian. Where is he? We found Cini and we're here at Popeye Village. What are we going to see today?
Today we're going to the Artichokes farm.
And how do you say it in Maltese?
Qaqoċċ.
Qaqoċċ. So I did say it right. And that's something that the Mediterranean is really renowned for. People love artichokes. And I've never seen them until I met you. You have thousands of artichokes. Okay, tell the truth. When you see these, doesn't it just make you want to grab it and sing into it like a microphone? These things don't even look real, right? Maybe I'll take photos. Look at this. I mean, come on, this is like Wonderland. For how long are the artichokes in season?
They start from December till March, April.
This is like a bouquet of flowers of the best kind. Now we're gonna leave the fields. We're gonna head over to the Borge kitchen. We're gonna meet our friend Tassie, who is Maltese, and she's gonna share with us her mother's tried and true family recipe for stuffed artichokes. Let's go play. Oh, here we go. This looks like the kind of thing you would see on the side of a bathtub in a really expensive spa.
We have garlic and parsley here.
So it's called green garlic. I see some anchovies. I see some tuna.
The olives.
Oh, I'm adding these now.
And I'm going to use the bread.
This bread comes from Ormi, which is like the king of Maltese bread. I love when I eat artichokes, but I've never had a stuffed artichoke.
So at the bottom we have to put small potato, some carrots.
I see some carrots in there. And this is the microphone holder, the handstand, because you can even eat that. All right, let's stuff it. These are super heart healthy.
Bravo.
Issa.
Very nice.
Thank you. Grazie, ħafna.
Vinegar and olive oil.
Now,
It's finished.
to the stove we go. How long do we cook it?
An hour.
An hour and a half?
Slow cook.
Slow and low. So now we've gone from the farm all the way to the kitchen, having beautiful Tassie Bella show us how it's done in a Maltese kitchen. But the real deal is, it's time to teach us how to eat stuffed artichokes. Come here to me, sweet thing. This is so Mediterranean. This is everything I think about. This is every flavor of the Mediterranean put into one teeny tiny leaf. What do I say? Well done, prosit.